Hi, everybody. This is Joseph and Tori again. Right now, we're just going to introduce. We're giving $1,000 credit on any renovation loan, and Tori's going to go more into it as he's the lender.
So yeah, we try to look for things that help people out with renovation loans and their spaces with Joe's team. What can we offer people? We have benefits, we have discounts. Sometimes we have extra credits and stuff like this. So this month there we're giving clients $1,000 credit on any renovation loan. That can go towards closing costs. It can go towards lowering the amount of money you're bringing in. It can be a fixer upper, an existing home, all the different types for outdoor spaces, an entire home, whatever it may be renovation wise. And on top of it, if they're an active veteran, an active duty service member, or a qualified family member, or a veteran, there's an additional 1,000 we're giving as a lender credit on top of it to anyone working with Joe's team as well. So I think we just like to talk about, Joe and I like to look weekly on all the different things we can offer people. And if you know anyone that needs any help, we'll keep putting stuff out there like this, right, Joe?
Correct. I mean, $1,000 credit goes a long way, to be honest with you. So renovation on existing home, new home, fixer upper, outdoor spaces, a project you need done. I mean, it works perfectly. So I think it's a great idea, Tori.
All right, so we'll be back next week with some more stuff. And of course, if anyone has any questions, please reach out directly to Joe on the renovation projects.
Sounds good. See you guys next week.